Age isn't always a reflection of quality. It's about maturity, that perfect moment when the complexity of the flavor has time to develop.
While whiskey often improves with age, I've tried wonderful whiskey that's 12 years old. I've also tried fantastic whiskey at 20. At Dewar's, we actually pioneered this process which we call married in oak. And what we do with those whiskeys is, rather than bottling immediately after blending, is we age those whiskeys a bit longer in vintage hand-selected oak casks. This extra step allows you to use older whiskey along with some younger whiskey. By putting it back into these casks, you're giving it time to infuse its flavors together to a perfectly balanced, much rounder and complex character.
Never shy away from a younger whiskey over an older one. You'll be missing out on some fantastic liquid.